Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make these easy Christmas star ornaments. You could use these on top of a gift. You could actually put them even into a greeting card. You could hang them on the tree. You could hang them in the windows. This one is made with worsted weight yarn, and this is made with worsted weight yarn as well. And this one is made with fun yarn. These two are exactly the same, and this one has one additional row, but it starts out like this. So let's get started. So in this demo, I'm going to use worsted weight yarn and a 6mm crochet hook. And for the fun fur one, this is the type of fun fur that I use. So I'll make a slip knot and start with chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to slip stitch to join, and that forms the center ring. And now I'm going to chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Single crochet in the ring, like that. And we're going to do 4 more of these so that I'll have 5 all around. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Single crochet in the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Single crochet. Okay, so there's my last chain 6, and I'm going to come over here and I'm going to slip stitch to join in the very first stitch of that first chain 6, like that. So following those instructions, you will make this star or this star, and then you're just going to place this on the ironing board and just pull them out and put a straight pin in right through the ironing board, and then you can just give it a press with the steam iron. Now to make this one, we're just going to do 1 additional row. So after slip stitching to join, start working in this first loop. So you're going to do 3 single crochet in the loop. There's a single crochet in slow motion. So 1 more, so that's 3. So now I'm going to do chain 3, 1, 2, 3. And that forms this little point. And then make 3 single crochet. So 1, 2, and 3. So that's what that looks like, and there it is. So you're just going to repeat that all the way around. So 3 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 single crochet, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so I have 2 done. So you'll just continue all the way around, making 3 single crochet, chain 3, 3 single crochet in each one of those chain 6 loops. Then you could just attach an ornament hook, or you could put a ribbon or string for hanging. So there you go, 3 easy snowflakes that you can make as decorations for your tree or in the window, to make a greeting card, or to put on top of gifts. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.